What's going on, ladies and gentlemen?
What's going on? Welcome.
Welcome to our video. I'm Mark,
And I'm Fashion McNeely.
and we're the McNeelys, and welcome to our channel. If you're brand new, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you guys can stay alert as new video content comes out.
Yes.
So we're glad to have you here. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can make money online in 2020. So you've probably been searching, you've probably been looking, you may have either opened your email and you found this video, or you may have been on social media, on YouTube or on Facebook, and you ran across our video. And so we're going to share with you how you can make some income in 2020 online from the comfort of your home. So real quick,
Yes.
I'll let my wife start out. We're gonna just talk about our backstory real quick, just so you guys can kind of get a feel for us and kind of our experiences and why we, decided to, take the next step in our lives and on our work from home journey. Why we decided to do that. So, Hun, do you want to talk to them a little bit about your backstory? And then I'll share with them mine on why we got started working from home.
Well, I will tell you that trading time for money, 8 hours of your day, is not the best way to earn an income, and it's not the only way to earn an income. And in this day and age, and especially in this season of crisis, the economy is shaky. It is very unsecure and unstable. And there is technology now to where we can secure our futures, secure our family's income online, making money online. It is just one of the more secure ways to protect your financial future, because it's not going to be affected by what's going on at a job, or you won't have to worry about being laid off, or you won't have to worry about the employment process, and waiting for that. Sometimes it takes too long, and you wait 2 weeks for a paycheck, and we get it. They're only paying you enough just to keep coming back, not to really get ahead. So I can totally relate. I've worked at banks. I've had my own salon, and it was awesome working for myself. However, I put in 12-hour days. I'm time away from my family. We want time freedom. We want to go on vacations. We want to enjoy our family. We want, just like you want, we want to have more time to enjoy the fruit of our labor. And in the traditional sense of earning an income, 9 to 5, you're not always going to have that opportunity. Now, if you like what you do, by all means, we're not suggesting that you leave that. But you can also have a supplemental income where you can have more. You don't have to settle for just what you're making. You can have more. You can have, the name of the game is multiple streams of income. Okay? And it is very possible if you take advantage of this opportunity. This is only one opportunity, but if you take advantage of this online opportunity, you will thank yourself later.
That's what's up, man. That's powerful. And like she said, I think that was my main reason, why I got started working from home. My journey started back in 2011. When I got laid off, I was working as a mental health counselor, and I really impacted the community. I enjoyed working with, the young kids that had mental health diagnoses and behavior issues. I went in some of the roughest parts of the neighborhoods and the communities in my local area, providing counseling. And, I really impacted a lot of lives. However, my bank account wasn't impacted. I wasn't able to sustain, my family. I believe I was making about $37,000 a year. I did everything I was supposed to do, went to college, got an education, got a bachelor's degree. I already knew coming out of school that, my career field I wasn't going to be making six figures. I wasn't going to be making a bunch of money. They had already told us. So I already knew coming out of the field that if I was going into social work, I was going into that field because I wanted to help people. It was more about helping people versus the income. And so I was willing to do that. I was willing to help people. I wanted to help people. I wanted to serve and provide a service for people. However, once I, got married, I wasn't single anymore. Started growing a family. Things changed, dynamics changed, the income changed, the needs in the home changed. And
Yes,
so
totally.
maybe you can relate, when those needs started to change, everything started to get difficult. I had faced repossessions, I lost cars, I was evicted, all because I just could not provide, effectively. I would work, 60, 70 hours a week, only to get a paycheck every 2 weeks. And as soon as that check hit that account, the money was gone, right?
It was
It
already
was already
accounted
gone.
for before it even came in.
And I began to feel just so low as a man. I'm
Yeah.
talking to all the men out here that's watching this video. I felt so low as a man that I couldn't provide. I just could not keep up my end of the deal. And as a man, our jobs are to provide for our households. If you're single, then that's definitely something you want to start implementing before you get a family, if you want a family. So I wasn't able to provide. And so, my card was pulled during this time in 2011. I got laid off. And when I got laid off, I was making $345 a week, which was
Yes.
way lower than what I was making on my job. And it was at that point, that was the breaking point when I decided to take a leap of faith and to jump out and start working for myself. And it wasn't easy. We had a lot of, roadblocks
A
along the
lot of
way, a lot of
hindrances.
hindrances. I didn't
It's a
have the
learning curve.
learning curve, didn't have the right mentorship. So when you
Yeah.
guys are looking for ways to make money online in 2020, I'm just going to tell you guys, there's so many ways. I can list a ton of them. But the most important way is you want to find a mentor, someone that's already, walked along those lines, walked
Mm-hmm.
along those roads to help guide you,
Yes. So success doesn't happen by chance. It happens by change. And so you can't change the season that you're in, but you can change yourself. You can change the things that you're doing. And if you do not change what you're doing, you'll always have what you have. And so it's possible. It's only a decision away. And we totally encourage you to pursue life more abundantly. It is yours, it belongs to you. More time, more financial freedom, debt freedom, time with your family, vacation, enjoying your life, not living just to pay bills.
Sucks. It sucks.
We can have more than that. You can have more than that. And unless you change who you are and what you're doing, you'll always have what you got.
That's right. And that's a true story, guys. I always wondered, even through my journey of working different odd ends and odd jobs, I always wondered, like I always had this mindset of, man, what would it be like to own a company like this? I remember there was a time I was
Yes.
working at a factory, and my job for the full 8 hour shift was, to box up some chips and put some chips in a box and put it on a pallet. I was called a palletizer. So I would just stack the boxes on a pallet, and I would be like working like literally like a robot for the entire
A
shift.
human
A
robot.
human robot, just
Yeah.
doing the same activities over and over.
He had knots in his forearms when he came home.
Yep, I had knots in my forearms.
Yeah.
I remember having to have to unload trucks, 18-wheeler trucks, in a warehouse. And I'm like, man, that's, it was at that time in my life, I had a bachelor's degree already. I was like, man, what am I doing, working in a warehouse? And it was not that I felt like I was better than other people. but it was like my life was at a crossroad. And so I may be talking to you on this video if you feel like your life is at a crossroad and you should
Yes.
be doing more, your purpose should be
Yes.
greater than where you are right now, then I'm talking to you. You know, you
Yes.
have to make the choice. You have to make the decision. Opportunity is out here. It's here for everyone. And you have to take it by the hand. And so for me, I just got frustrated. You know, there comes a point in time in life, guys, where you have to get sick and tired. And then not only just getting sick and tired, but you have to get up and start to move about. And so
Yes.
I got tired of not having any money when we had family events that were going on out of the state, out of town. We didn't have the money to go. You
Couldn't
know,
make
we
it.
couldn't make it.
Funerals.
We had
Couldn't
funeral.
make
We had a funeral that
funerals.
my wife had to go to at one point, and another family member had to pay, like, was it $400 or something like that? We didn't even have $400 to get her on a plane. All right.
And most Americans don't even have $500
In their
saved
savings
up
account.
aside, not the Be Right Back account, like a
Right.
real
A
savings
real saving.
account. Okay,
Right.
a lot of Americans, working Americans, do not even have that, and
Right.
that lets us know that, well, whatever we're doing,
It's not
it's
working.
not enough.
It's not working.
Yeah.
It's not working. So we just, like I said, we wanted more time freedom for each other, our kids. We wanted to be able to travel and do things, you know, on our own terms. So um, we believe in this opportunity that we want to share with you guys.
Yes.
It's a way for you guys to make money from home. I know you're probably tired of hearing us talk about our story, but we feel like it's very important to give our story. There'll be a link below in the description box, or if you're
Yes.
watching this video via email, there'll be a link here that you can click on to get more information about what we do and how we would like to partner with you and help you
Yes.
make some really good income from the comfort of your home. You got anything else you want to throw in there before we get out of here?
Value makes the difference. That's what you are paid for. You create more value, you possess more value, you'll get more out of life. And this opportunity is going to give you more time, freedom, more time with your family. It's going to help you achieve your financial goals. And it's just time for a change, y'all. Let's get up. Let's make it happen.
That's right. That's right, guys. Well, we're going to get out of here. For those of you that take action with us to get started and partner with us in this amazing, wonderful work from home opportunity, we'll leave a link below in the description box so y'all can get more information. We're not going to go through all of that on this video. We're going to have some amazing bonuses for you all. And you'll be able to see the bonuses on the next page.
Yes.
Bonuses are
Yes.
basically designed to help you enhance and speed your business up fast.
Yes.
As quickly as possible. And so we're going to list some of those bonuses on the website below once you click the link. But
And for everyone who this online business stuff is very unfamiliar to, it was for me as well. So don't get discouraged by all the techno savvy stuff. Just take it one step at a time. Even the little step that you make makes a world of a difference. You're making progress, even if it's small progress. Dedicate yourself to the process of learning how to make money online, and you will thank yourself later. I promise you.
That's right. That's right, guys. Well, with that being said, we're going to get out of here. We love you with the McNeelys.
Yes.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next video.
Y'all have a good one.
God bless.
God bless.